Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 2nd, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are, let me see, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So there's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright. The first one, 9196. This will be 9196. And before start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. Yeah. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher. With 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright, let me start with 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place level 8. Shoot down. Then 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this big square, no 1 in this box. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in the middle row. Should be there. 4 and 7. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4, 4. You know, 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this one, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2, 2. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this big square, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let's appear 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in the first column? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this one, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the only place left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. How about a 9 in this column? 9, last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So on the last column, the only place left for the 4 it should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. These are number 3, number 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 9 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then let me see. Come on. 9. 9. Cannot continue with the 9. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers 1, 2 is missing and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2, 2, okay, 9. Need a 3, need a 5. 3 and a 5, okay. So here 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 5. Let me mark those. 7, 5, and need a 2 here. Well, we have a 2 in this last column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. So the 7 and the 5 are left. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the third column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 10 minutes. Cannot believe this. Well, faster than 50 minutes. Should be at 0 stars. Yeah, 0 stars. Puzzle. Need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. Definitely. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Yeah. But we solved it again. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.